Okay, this video will show you how to install the hard drive and format the hard drive. Please follow me. The first we'll install the hard drive. Okay, first remove the screws. Okay, take off the cover and install the cables. This one is for the power. This one is for the data. And now install the screws to fix the hard drive and the cover. And now put inside the cover into the NVR. Next, install the screws. Now we will finish installing the hard drive. Before recording, you have to format the hard drive. So we'll show you how to format the hard drive. First, power on the NVR. Plug into the mouse. Right-click mouse to select System Setup. General Setup and click HDD Setup. Here you can see the status is unformatted, so you need to click Format and click Format. Yes. You need to wait some minutes. Now format succeed. Click OK. Here you need to restart the system. Okay, after restart the system, you will see the status is formatted.